we're going to make a crustless ricotta quiche. So to make a crustless ricotta quiche, we'll need a fun, maybe unusual shaped dish. I love using a soup crock. It's really different. You could definitely use a regular pie plate, but I love doing more of an individual portion. We'll need 3 eggs, since my vessel is going to be a little bit smaller, 3 eggs and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And this makes our basic custard. And we'll take a wire whisk and mix that up. Into this, we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of our salt and pepper blend. And that salt and pepper blend is going to be 1 part salt and 2 parts pepper. And in addition to that, we'll do 1/8 teaspoon of coriander. If you prefer to use nutmeg, you can use that as well. I love the zestiness of a coriander. Make sure that's thoroughly blended. And we'll go ahead and we'll put this in our dish. Make sure your dish is buttered or lined with some sort of cooking spray so that we can remove it later on. It doesn't get stuck to your sides. And we'll go ahead and pour it right in there. Now make sure that your custard does not come up too high, otherwise the egg will definitely come out and over when you are baking it. We'll take about a 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese. Any ricotta cheese you like. If you'd like to reduce the calories, you can use a low fat or part skim ricotta. Just go ahead and put it right into your vessel here, and we'll just mash it up with our whisk so that we have some nice consistency. We really want some nice chunks of ricotta. You don't want it too blended. And once that's all mixed together, you're good to go in your oven for about 20 minutes and 350 degrees. And here we have our finished crustless ricotta quiche. Really adorable in this crock pot vessel, and a nice little side of a tomato salad to accompany it. Enjoy.